everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to show you how to ink blend the beautiful Poinsettia stencil from A Colorful Life Design's newest release. So here it is, so pretty, and you can ink blend it as the leaves here and the flower here, or just the flower. It's really up to you, or more flowers, petals. So I am going to show you what I used. I used Catherine Polar Life of the Party ink cubes, and I was told it was hard to find them in a set like this, but I think some places like scrapbook.com you can still find the inks like this, but you can buy them individually in these ink cubes, I believe, on the Catherine Polar website. And I really love these inks because they're really juicy. We're using off-white cardstock today, or you can use cream. And here is the new stamp set as well. It is called Spread Love, and so we will use that for the sentiment today. And then here is a sample of my card. This is what we are making today. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I did use a little bit of pixie spray, and now I'm going to use some Tutti Frutti ink from Catherine Polar. Oops, I almost used my yellow brush. Okay. And so, and it looks like my pixie spray isn't that. I did try not to spray too much because I don't like it when it rips my paper. And it's such a pretty stencil. I love a poinsettia, poinsettias, or however you say it. Poinsettia. Okay. So I believe I just used red, this red here. I didn't add any leaves, but I think it would look really pretty if you put leaves around it as well. And it's such an easy way to get your Christmas cards done. Okay, and this is a 6x6 stencil, and it's always labeled on the bottom for you, so you know which way is the way to put it on your paper. Okay, so now I'm going to put yellow, which is the Tierra ink. And this would look pretty if you did green in the center as well, but for some reason I like the yellow in the middle. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. So pretty, I love it. Now we're going to add some gold paint splatters. Here are my starry colors, and I didn't write down which one I used, but I think it's this one. I use that one a lot, which is the red gold. So I'm just going to spray some water on my stamp block here. It's off to the side, but I'll show you. So here's some water here, and then I like to spray the paint as well. Just be careful you don't get any on your paper. Okay, I probably don't need any on a stamp block. Okay. So pretty. I love splatter. And you don't need that much. There we go. So I went ahead and cut my background to 4 and 5 1/4. I like it a little smaller than A2 sometimes. And now I'm going to stamp the sentiment from the new Spread Love stamp set. And there's so many cute little characters. Like I have a card with the snowman and the Santa, and I just love it. So Merry Christmas is what I used. And I'm just going to put it right there. And I like the font, and that I like that it's not straight. Okay, and here is my VersaFine black ink. And that looks really good. Maybe I'll stamp it. I don't even think I need to stamp it one more time, but just to make sure. Okay, so pretty. So now all we need to do is add some gems and a card base, and this card will be finished. Okay, so I'm just gluing on my panel. I have a gray A2 card base. Do you like to use colored cardstock for your card bases? I think it's fun, and so I try and use colored when I think of it. So, and these gems are from Pinkfresh Studio, so I'm just going to add a few gems on here. Let me see. And I should have all the products I used in the description down below. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I'm just adding 3 gems. I did add a lot of glue though. Okay, and then, so I hope you enjoyed this card tutorial. It makes a beautiful and easy holiday card. You can easily mass produce this. Use my code VaughnFan10 to save 10% off your purchase. It just can't work. It just can't work on Master Creator Bundle, but it's so pretty. Here is my first card, and here is my second card. So pretty. It looks like I have more yellow here. Which one do you like the best? You can leave that in the description. And I hope you check out A Colorful Life Designs newest release. There's a lot of fabulous stencils in that release. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and please, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.